Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so installers can run. Check EMUI and free up at least 2 GB because installations need temporary space. Once done, enable developer options, then toggle USB debugging and unknown sources so APKs can install. This is necessary because Huawei ships without Google services. Make sure you back up contacts and photos and move any downloaded APKs or ZIPs into internal storage. That prevents loss and speeds the next steps. You now install the core Google components that apps require. First, sideload Google Services Framework, then Play Services, and finally Google Play Store, installing in that order because dependencies must load correctly. When each installer asks, grant all permissions and accept prompts. Without permissions, Play Services won't run. Once the 3 APKs finish, reboot the device to let services initialize. After reboot, open Settings, right arrow Apps to confirm Play Services is active and not crashing. You finish by signing into the Play Store and updating core apps so they match Play Services expectations. Install Gmail, Maps, Drive, or any other apps you need, and then verify permissions. Location and background data are common requirements. If an app shows authentication or syncing errors, clear its cache and data and retry. If issues persist, uninstall the last APK installed and reinstall the correct version. One troubleshooting tip: stop Play Services, clear cache, then reboot to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.